कराची में ग्रीन मंजर आपको देखने को मिल सकते हैं।
और
अगर आप देखना चाहें,
हाँ,
आपको परिंदों की चहचहाहट भी सुनने को मिल सकती है।
Welcome to another episode of Makeover Goals. This is a series on our channel where we make over different spaces. In today's episode, we are going to make over a storage room and turn it into a beautiful living space. So let's get started. Before we jump into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you'll get notified about my future videos. Let's talk about the room. It's a small storage room. It has a series of closets on one side which we are not going to move. The wall paint is in really very bad condition. There's also some water damage which is being repaired. So this room needs a fresh coat of paint and a makeover. This room is in my sister's house and she wants a Boho Ecletic vibe in this room. To achieve that, we are going to paint the wall in front of the cupboard in a mustard yellow color and other wall in a creamy white color. To enhance the accent wall, I'm gonna draw a line art leaf on the wall. In front of the wall, I'm gonna place a 3-seater sofa with sea green cushions which is gonna complement the mustard wall. To anchor that sofa, I'm gonna place a rug underneath. I'm gonna replace the curtains with a chick blind to achieve that boho vibe. For more sitting, I'm gonna place some floor cushion underneath that window. On the wall in front of the window, I'm gonna place a chair and some boho decorations. At the end, I'm gonna place some plants to achieve that boho eclectic vibe. First thing which we are going to do in this room is obviously the painting, but before we start to paint, we are going to fix the walls. If there is any hole in the wall, we are going to fill them up, and after the filling is dry, we are going to sand them. And if there is any rough surface, we are going to sand them too. First, I'm gonna paint these walls with that mustard yellow color. Yes, if all this makeover, my nephew is gonna help me. He helped me paint, he helped me DIY, and he helped me in final touches too. After painting the base coat, I'm gonna draw the leaf pattern using a pencil on the wall and then use a smaller brush to paint it over. The wall looks great when it's done with the leaf and all the color and the light from the window. It's looking very, very amazing. For the DIY decor, my sister asked me to do the same DIY which I have done in my previous video, the barbecue sticks mirror DIY. For that, I go to the market and bought some barbecue sticks. These are different from the one I used in my video. They are a little bit wider. Other than that, I bought UHU embroidery mirrors and a mirror of 1 feet. It's also bigger than the mirror which I used in my video. And then I cut a piece of cardboard according to the size of the mirror. For doing these sticks, I start with the quarter of a circle. First, I divide that quarter in half and then that quarter in quarters. And then I put 2 sticks in each quarter of a quarter. After gluing all these sticks, I glue the big mirror in the center and then arrange all these small embroidery mirrors on the sticks. And then use a strong adhesive to glue them. Let's start with the main item of this living area, the sofa. It's an old sofa of my sister. She just reupholstered the cushions. I asked her to reupholster them in this sea green color, which complement the wall very greatly. I also placed this hand woven rug underneath the sofa. For the plants, I went to the local nursery and bought this money plant, this gigantic money plant, and it's really very cheap. It's of only 1,000 rupees and it's like a steal for me. For the window, I bought some chick blinds. There's a whole market of chicks in Karachi where we went and bought. There's a whole variety of items over there and it's really very great. And it's on the floor underneath the window. We are going to place this mat, and over that mat we are going to place some floor cushions. On the wall in front of the window, I'm gonna place this palm tree. Yes, it's like a similar tree which I placed in my guest bedroom. I'm also gonna place this wall hanging which we made on that wall, which look amazing and it look really more beautiful with these sticks. And other than that, I'm gonna place a chair. It's actually a dining table chair, but we are going to use it over here. And the room is almost done. In 3, 2, 1. The room turned out amazing. The mustard color with the sea green cushion, they look perfect together. And my nephew loved that room and he just wanted to sit in that room, play all day. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also comment down below what part of the makeover you like the most. And stay tuned because there are many other DIY makeovers coming soon. Bye!